Hello, this is day 11 of the 14 days quarantine workout. Today is gonna be about cardio Pilates. So people always have the concept that Pilates is about breathing and stretching, while that's not really true. So today we're gonna do some contemporary Pilates moves that can bring your heart beat a lot faster. High heel ballerina squat, sprint start, caterpillar push-up, plank running, hundreds, swimming. We'll start with exercise 1. So you're gonna open your legs about double, if you can, of your waist, or at least 1.5 the size of your waist. As you go in and your toes are turned out. In my earlier video, I show how you should do a turnout that doesn't hurt your knees. Okay, just want to make sure that when you bend your knee is pointing to your second and third toe. Okay, so when you bend your knees are turning out. So for this exercise, as you bend, you are gonna simultaneously bring one heel up. And then lift, we're gonna switch other side, and we're gonna switch. For your hands, I'm not particular, you can bring it here or you can bring it here, whichever that works better for you to keep your balance, okay? Gonna go into 1 minute and we will alternate between two heels. So here we go, and we go up, lift. Make sure your body is upright, so it feels that you're leaning against the wall, so you're not hinging forward. So this is wrong as you're doing the exercise. Of course, go as low as you can. Shoulders, no tension, so make sure you're not here. If there is tension, you can drop your hands lower, or you bring it to a position that doesn't give you any strain. For those who really want to do massive cardio, you can hold on to weights with your arms, okay, as you lift, okay? So that's additional, up to you if you've got props at home. So we'll try to not use any props to do the exercise. We've got 20 seconds more to go. So the important thing is not to have strain on your upper shoulders, and make sure your body is upright. Knees are turning out as you lower and lift each side. Gonna go for last 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. And we're done. Okay, now for the next exercise, we're gonna go into a lunge position, and then we'll try to lift ourselves up. So the best way to go into a lunge position that is proportionately to your limb length and wouldn't hurt your knees is to come into this kneeling position with shin thigh right angle. So right angle here, right angle here. Okay, what you're gonna do is from this angle, you're gonna bring yourself come to an upright position. So you're gonna go low and then upright. And I'm gonna add something. When you go low, I need both hands to be on the floor, and then lift. Touch and lift. Okay, and we're gonna switch sides. This is really cardio. Okay, it's tough because we are working on big muscle groups, so you tend to burn more. Make sure you are as upright as you can. When you land, knee is touching, both fingertips are touching. Okay, and if you feel a lot on your quads in front, think about digging your back leg into the floor more. When you stand, your back leg should be fully straightened, front knee slightly bent. Again, shoulder relaxed, so make sure you're not tensing up the shoulders. 30 more seconds to go. Lower. Exhale to lift. Inhale to go down. Exhale to lift. Inhale to go down. Touch the floor. Lift and back. Last 20. Up. Rest. Up and hold. So find your stability. Down and hold. So do not go too fast and you feel that you're not working on the stability. We're gonna go for last 7 seconds. And probably last set from here. And up. And we're done. Right, so now we're gonna switch over to the other side. So kneeling. Stabilize. And we go up. Down. Up. Down. So focus on straightening the back leg. Up, down. Curl the toes, lift. Rest. Up and rest. Down and rest. Up and rest. And we've got 30 more seconds to go. Find your balance. My back leg is not good for the left side, okay, when it's back. Bit of knee injury there. Last 20 seconds. Squeeze the abs to keep the body upright. It was difficult for my mother to do this because her balance wasn't that great. So if you find you can't, you could just straighten the back leg. Rest. Straighten, rest, okay? This is the modification. Last one. Up and rest. Okay, now the next one, we're gonna do caterpillar push-up. So for this set, I need you to stand at the, especially if you're tall, all the way to the back of the mat. Stand tall. Inhale. Exhale, you're gonna roll the spine down, touch the floor, and walk all the way to your plank position, baby push-up, and then walk all the way back. Stabilize, rolling up. Okay, now I'm gonna go into a modification where if you can't touch the mat with your legs straight, it's okay to bend the knees. Yeah, it's okay to do this. As you walk out, your legs will straighten. Make sure your wrists are under the shoulder. Then you do the push-up, and then you return. Let's start. And always come to upright position before you go again. So roll all the way with the exhale. Hand on the floor. Walk, walk, walk. Stabilize. Elbows out. Lift. Walk it back. Stabilize. Rolling up. We go again. Roll all the way. So if you can't touch the toes or the mat, bend the knees and you walk. Stabilize. Push up. Which means when you come back, your knees will still be bent. Okay, it's fine. Stabilize first. Straighten the legs and then roll yourself up. Go again. And rolling down. Walk, walk, walk. Stay elbow poking out rather than elbow poking back. And slowly rolling up. Last set. Roll all the way. Walk, walk, walk. Stabilize. Push up. And release. All the way back. And we're done. So for the next one, we're gonna go into plank running. Alright, so to go into plank, you're gonna come to your all fours first. The easiest way to go into plank while sustaining the core engagement and not hurting your lower back is to come into all fours position first. So straight spine, chest lifted, wrist under shoulder, knee under hip. And you're gonna lengthen one leg out. I'm gonna put my foot on the floor so it's a bit more non-slip for me. Okay, and then engage your shoulders to lift the other leg up. So for plank running, you come in and you switch. In and you switch. Okay, now if you can, you're gonna do real running. Okay, so I'm gonna do both variations. So to keep the heart rate up, you could probably do fast, slow down, fast, slow down. Okay, so you're ready. This position, lengthen one leg, then the other leg. We go slow for 10 seconds. In and switch, switch and switch. And now we're gonna try to go fast for 10 seconds. Bring it in and in. Last 3, 2, 1. We go slow. And we go slow for 10 seconds. My perspiration are dripping on the mat. Okay, and we go fast. And we go slow. Exhale, exhale. So inhale in between. We go fast. And we rest. Okay, so for the next set, you're gonna be on a lying down position. So you're gonna, this is the infamous hundreds of the Pilates. Okay, you're gonna lie down on your back. The most important thing to take note when lying down for this exercise is to make sure your lower back is always kissing the mat. Okay, so no gap. Yeah. So think about drawing your ribs down to kiss the gap rather than squeezing your butt and curling your tailbone up. So this is the incorrect version. So if I were to pat my butt cheeks, the butt cheeks should be soft. Okay, you are not squinching or clenching your butt. However, your ribs is not poking up to the sky. It's drawing down towards your hip joint or towards your belly button to keep that lower back kissing the floor. Right, so from here, you're gonna bring one leg up. Again, always one at a time. Make sure the whole torso is stable. And you're gonna bring the other leg up. Arms to the floor or arms to the sky. Curl the upper body up by drawing your ribs forward. And from here, you're gonna pulse from the shoulder blade, or the shoulder, not the blade, shoulder. Things people do wrongly is they pat with the wrist or they bend the elbows, okay? So keep your arm absolutely straight and it comes from the shoulder. So it's the angle of the underarm that change, yeah? You want to do gentle pulses. It's going to be 5 pulses for inhale, 5 pulses for exhale. So that's 1 set. And therefore 10 times 10 sets, it will be hundreds, okay? So the name of that exercise. So when you're ready, one leg, lower back kiss, other leg. Inhale, stay, exhale, curl up. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only if you feel that your lower back and maintain kissing the ground that you extend your leg. So when you extend and you arch, then don't do that. Keep it in a knees bend position. Now instead of like hundreds, we're just gonna sustain this for 1 minute. So inhale for 5 breaths and exhale for 5 breaths. So in 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. In through the nose, out from the mouth. Last set probably. In through the nose, out from the mouth. One more time. In through the nose, out from the mouth. And come back and we rest. Okay. So next, we're gonna go into prone position. So prone position, you will be lying on your belly. Okay. Legs long at the corner of the mat, arms long at the corner of the mat. So your arms are in a V position, so are your legs. From here, you're gonna stabilize, lift both legs or rather both knees off. So make sure you are not just lifting the toes or the feet off. You are lifting both legs. Again, the work comes from the hip, not the knee or the ankle. And you're gonna lift your shoulders off by lifting both arms up. You're gonna pedal opposite. So let's say if I draw my left hand down, right leg down, and you switch. Okay? So we're gonna do this for 1 minute. Ready? So from here, lift knees, lift arms, and we switch. Down, switch, down, switch. And you can go fast. Breathing is the same. In through 3, into the nose for 5, out from the mouth. Eyes should be gazing at the edge of your mat. Make sure the body is not wobbling from side to side. So if you do that, it means that there is no stabilization of the core. So you want to make sure the body is stable as you are doing the work. So shoulder relaxed, eyes gazing forward, in through the nose, out from the mouth. We're gonna go for last 20 seconds. In, exhale. So make sure your legs are pointing long and straight. Last 15 seconds. In through the nose, out from the mouth. And if you are tired, you go slow. Yeah, as long as you're alternate. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And we're done for the day.